If you're a beginner in online entrepreneurship and you're wondering how to stay motivated while you're starting your online business, please watch this video because I think it'll help you so much. Hi everyone, I hope you're all having a great day today. If you're new here, my name is Greg and I like to talk about online entrepreneurship. So if you're interested in making money online, feel free to look around the channel and you might find some cool stuff. In today's video, we are talking about a hot topic. You guys asked this in the comments and I think it is a great question. That is, how do you stay motivated while you're starting your online business? Trust me, I can relate to this and I want to share what I wish someone told me while I was starting all of mine. So the very first thing, and I do understand this may be a luxury, not everyone's going to be able to do this, is you want to transition out of your job. If you do have a job right now, you don't want to just quit it and then start your online businesses. These things do take time and that adds so much pressure to you because you have no income. Ideally, you want to slowly start working on these things while you're working at your job. So by the time that you transition out of your job and you quit or walk away, whatever it is, you already have these online income streams started and they're slowly earning money already. So with that being said, it does take time. Making money online, and especially the ways that I teach and share with you guys, they're not get rich quick ways. You're not going to make money right away. So in that time that you're not making money and you're building all of these up, this was one of the biggest problems I had, and I see it with a lot of people, is you come up with a million different reasons why it won't work. You start over-analyzing everything and overthinking everything. You start to convince yourself of all of these problems that are not real. Oh, the niche must be too saturated. Oh, my designs aren't good enough. Oh, my articles aren't good enough on my affiliate site. Anything you come up with, you start convincing yourself of these things, and then you discourage yourself. And this is where most people quit. You will see this time and time again. People start coming up with these reasons and they haven't seen success in the first couple weeks or the first month, and they've been putting in a lot of work, and this is where they quit. This is why if you can get past this section right here, this is where the rest succeed. So once you start seeing these things in yourself, realize that this is just part of the process. This is 100% completely normal. The way to get past this is to slowly just keep making progress. I know this part can be extremely hard to do because you're putting in all this hard work and you're not getting rewarded for it. You're not getting compensated, you're not getting paid, and this is why most people don't make it through this part. However, if you focus on the bigger picture and you just keep making small progress, it doesn't have to be fast. One day it will all of a sudden start working. And I mean that completely randomly. One day you're just going to start seeing sales. That's how this stuff works. It's almost like a virtual barrier to entry, and only the ones who are willing to keep making progress through it are the ones who are going to succeed. So with that being said, I have two really big pieces of advice that I wish someone had told me, and hopefully this helps you. Number one is don't be afraid to take breaks. This is not a race, and if you have the luxury of transitioning out of your job, it makes it a lot easier, but don't be afraid to take a day, 3 days, 5 days off completely and not work on any of this. Online entrepreneurship and building an online business is definitely not a sprint. It's a marathon, and as long as you can keep making progress forward, you will succeed. And the second thing, and most importantly, is there is no secret shortcut. Trust me when I say it is extremely easy to overthink and overanalyze the work that you're putting in if you're not being compensated and rewarded for it yet. As long as you're just focusing on the bigger picture and taking massive action, getting good work out there, it will work. I so wish someone had told me that years ago because I've dug into so many metrics and analytics and tried to find the secret way to do things, and there is no secret way. Yes, there are definitely better ways to do it than others, and those you will learn from trial and error and experience, and those are the kind of things that I try to share with you guys, but there is definitely no secret shortcut to get rich quick. Alright guys, I hope this video has helped you. If you have any questions about it at all, feel free to leave them down in the comments, or if you have video requests, leave those down in the comments as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I'll see you in the next one.